conducted a surveillance or at least had a lead with these two chemist nationals who went straight to Arlene apartment, and you already have substantial information that Dumoy and Arlene apartment may be very much well connected, bakit hindi nagkaroon ng sabay na operation with Dumoy and then at the same time Arlene? Why was there any separate investigation or a post-operation investigation that happened dyan sa Arlene apartment?
Ang priority namin talaga doon, Mr. Chair, is Dumoy. Kasi naandun ang clandestine laboratory. So after that, post-operation na lang yung post-operation investigation na yung kinakandak natin after that Dumoy.
You said that 11 individuals were detained,
Invited.
aresto?
Mr. Chair, kasi wala ako doon eh. Kasi nga, immediately after that, dumating yung mga top-notch ng PNP, AFP, PDEA sa Dumoy. So that was January 1. Inasikaso namin sila and we conducted briefing on those top personalities doon sa Dumoy, Mr. Chair. And during that time, it was SPO for Carillo and according doon sa blatter is Colonel Quedato, ang nagdala ng mga personalities na nasa Dumoy papunta ng BID.
You mean the Bureau of Immigration?
Bureau of Immigration, Mr. Chair. Kasi nga, mga Chinese personalities yung mga naandon.
But let me correct my data kasi in the previous hearing, Mr. Chair, you said that 11 Chinese nationals ang na-apprehend or na-invite doon sa apartment, or would you correct your statement on this?
Hindi, again, Mr. Chair, wala akong idea sa number. Kasi nga, matagal na. So, hindi ko alam, Mr. Chair, kung ilan yung dinala doon sa BID, Mr. Chair. Kung 11 yun, then that's 11. But, it was recorded and logged through SPO for Carillo. Apparently, ang kasama niya is Colonel Quedato from who was the foreign liaison ng intelligence, PNP intelligence during that time.
Yeah, Mr. Chair, who ordered this post-operation investigation on Arlene apartment? Since you were sabi nga kanina, ikaw yung head ng operation
Yes,
na
Mr.
to.
Chair.
So command responsibility applies to you.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
So who
Kasi,
ordered, since you were not there during this investigation, yung pagpunta sa Arlene apartment, since you were absent and you mentioned about SPO for Baltasar Carillo,
Yes.
no?
Yes, sir.
Who apparently, it turned out that ito ba si Carilla, same Carilla ba ang
Carillo. Carillo,
namatay
Mr.
po sa
Chair.
service,
Yes, Mr.
active
Chair.
service. Ito pong si Monty Di Ramos din po, patay din.
investigator ko yan, Mr. Chair.
Patay din po.
Patay na din daw.
Okay, since you were not present in the Arlene apartment post-operation, sino po ba sa mga team mo ang po pwedeng mag-corroborate? Kasi gusto kong malaman kung how these nationals or Chinese national were turned over to Bureau of Immigration, which I'd like to ask Bureau of Immigration later on.
Hindi ko na malaman, Mr. Chair, kasi ang parati ko naalala is yung team leader ko. And then the team leader chooses yung team niya, kung sino yung pwedeng
Pero kayo
kasama.
po yung nag-order nung
Yes,
ano.
yes, Mr. Chair. Yes,
Pero
Mr. Chair.
si SPO for Baltasar Carillo po yung team leader ninyo.
Siya ang operations, chief of operations ko, Mr. Chair. And nakita niya na vital yung investigate doon sa mga Chinese na naando sa Dumoy dahil ang dami pang unanswered question namin doon sa Arlene apartment, Mr. Chair. Kasi 5-door nga yun, Mr. Chair eh. And all of the part of the apartment, yung 5 apartment na yon, is sila yung sila yung tumira doon during that time.
Well, I hope you can still remember the individuals or the officers who were also involved in the post-operation on Arlene apartment. Kasi si Carillo, wala na po siya. Ito si Monte de Ramos, patay na rin po.
Alam ko, Mr. Chair, may
Can you
kasama
give us a name? Kasi
Davao City Police Office but I don't know kung sino yung kasama nila eh.
I'm sure mayroon pong buhay sa member sa unit
I'm
na yun.
sure, Mr. Chair.
Would
But
you know?
kasi
Can you give us names?
hindi ko nga matandaan kung sinong member ng Davao City Police Office na kasama namin. Kasi sila yung tumulong sa amin na mag-secure nung Chinese nationals at magdala sa Bureau of Immigration and Deportation,
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Bureau of Immigration, do we have Bureau of Immigration?
Kaya nga, Mr. Chair, kaya nga it's vital kasi public knowledge ito, Mr. Chair, na talagang tanungin natin yung taga Bureau of Immigration kasi sila ang makakasagot doon sa post-operation natin sa Dumoy as far as Arlene Apartment is concerned, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Bureau of Immigration, do we have, please, sir, can you confirm to us that there was indeed a turnover of 11 individuals, many of them are Chinese, on the date that was mentioned in 2004, immediately after the Dumoy raid? These are apparently resident or sila po yung umuupa doon sa 5 doors ng Arlene Apartment. Can you give us provide us some information as to confirm that such turnover of these individuals from the investigative unit to BI, Region 11? Do you have a record? Kasi gusto kong malaman kung sino yung mga involved na members po nung unit na yun. Kasi apparently, dalawa ang na-mention po ay patay na. Yes, Bureau of Immigration.
Good evening, Mr. Chair. Good evening, Your Honors. Your Honor, Commissioner Viado wrote the Quadcom today requesting for additional time to locate the files because apparently the files would contain the complete name of the Chinese nationals there, the immigration officials involved in the turnover or whatever operation there is. We are unable to locate the files just now because the storage building used by the immigration was vacated and everything was moved to Malabon in September, Mr. Chair. So right now they're still trying to locate the files.
So sa Makatwid, you're having trouble locating the files.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
But narinig, meron po kayong at least man lang, can you confirm that there was indeed an incident took place in Davao City?
We cannot confirm that with certainty, Your Honor, but apparently there was indeed a turnover, but we are not sure of the personalities involved there. That is why the Bureau of Immigration is requesting for additional time to locate the files, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Dahil this is the reason why, Mr. Chair, I'm very much interested in finding out kung ano yung nangyari dito sa mga Chinese nationals at saka yung mga individuals. It's because can I ask again, General Wilkins? You said that you do not have any follow-up information regarding the 11 individuals that were arrested or invited to and turned over to BI. Tama po ba?
Na turnover sila sa NBI. Mr. Chair, ganito kasi. Pwede nating ma-find out kung sino yung in charge ng NBI during that time nung January 1, 2004. Kasi yung kung sinong in charge ng BID during that time, yun ang pwede sumagot, Mr. Chair. Kasi sila lang yung makakasagot doon, Mr. Chair. And hindi ko na follow up yon. Although, Mr. Chair, it's a public knowledge sa Davao City na naandun yung mga Chinese national, Mr.
That's why
even media is monitoring those people in the BID.
No, I'm
Mr.
not
Chair.
contesting that it really happened. But what I want is it's a black and white paper that confirms that there was a transfer. Because the reason, Mr. Chair, I'm asking this, it's because there's no information that available as to the 11 Chinese nationals after the turnover. There was not even an information kung anong nangyari kay Alan C. Hindi ho ba? Crowning moment ito eh. Dapat may follow-up yan na information. And I don't think we just leave it at that. After the Dumoy raid, the Adlaw, etc., titigil na po ang ating law enforcement agencies. Kung talagang totoong si Alan C. ang mastermind dyan, they could have at least follow up and follow through with the investigation regardless whether General Wilkins Villanueva was still